Good morning, dear students. Today's our new topic is technology. Let's begin our lesson by presenting a PPT about the role of technology in our life. What is technology? So, what is technology? Technology is comprised of the products and processes created by engineers to meet our needs and wants. Technologies plays a great role in our life. Without any technology in our century, we cannot manage many things. For example, if we speak about in our daily life, in our household life, there are a lot of roles of for example, washing machine, vacuum cleaner, mixer, blender, and also microwave oven, fridge, and others. They can help us to enlighten our life. So, technology or science, which one is preferred? Technology, study of our human-made world, deals with what can be. A science study of the natural world deals with what is. How does technology address human needs and wants? So at first, technology can divide into such kind of types. Here is given. They are information technology, communication technology, bio-related and agriculture technology, medical technology, environmental technology, and manufacturing and construction technology, transportation technology, energy power technology, and nanotechnology. Let's speak about all of them turn by turn. Information technology. Information technology allows us to send signals around the world. For example, television, internet, satellite, GPS, cell phones, mobile phones, iPhones, so they can send us signals from the world. And next one is impacts of information technology. There are two sides of the information, two sides, bad sides and negative sides of the information technology. Positive sides can be information is stored for easy access. For example, if we speak about internet, and if we speak about the negative sides, bad sides of the internet, it can be hard to distinguish between reliable and unreliable sources. And also, if we speak about the negative sides, it can affect badly affect to the teenagers, especially their behavior, their psychological sides, internet. And the next one is communication technology is giving or exchanging information. For example, magazines, DVDs, photography, video games. We can, by the help of these items, we can exchange information with each other. And there are also two sides of this communication technology. Digital cameras allows you to edit and print only the pictures you like, and the computers, printers, and digital cameras make forgery and plagiarism easier. And the next one is bio-related and agricultural technology. Biotechnology transforms living things into products or new forms of life. For example, genetic engineering, bionics. Agricultural technology produces plants and animals for food, favor, and fuel. For example, irrigation, food preservation, weed and insect control. Both deal with living things, plants, animals, and people. Impacts of bio-related technology. Positive impacts, health. It can improve our health quality, our life quality. It can enrich our with vitamins, vaccines, medications, and others. But negative impacts that health side effects of some medications, shortness of breath, and can be some bad sides of to incoming of the medications. And next one is impacts of agricultural technology. Positive impacts that fertilizers can make plants produce more food per acre. we can get a lot of food by the help of the fertilizers, but there is also bad sides of the fertilizers have found their way into groundwater, polluting good drinking water. Medical technology. Medical technology creates tools to treat disease and injury. For example, lasers, prostheses, ultrasound, medications, and others. And nowadays, in our century, 21st century, it's called technology century. By the help of the medical technology, nowadays many diseases can find its solutions, and many illnesses recovered by the help of the technology, medical technology. And next one is positive impacts and negative impacts of X-rays. Positive impacts make it easier to diagnose injuries. Negative impacts, too many X-rays can cause cancer. Also, environmental technology. It creates tools to minimize the effects of technology on the development of living things. For example, hybrid vehicles, conservation, waste management, and recycling. It can be, and others. If we speak about the positive impacts of the recycling, improves water and air quality. If we speak about negative impacts of recycling, disposal of garbage is more complicated and time-consuming. Production technology. Production technology is the manufacturing of physical goods on an assembly line and construction of structures on a job site. Manufacturing changes natural or synthetic materials into usable products, for example, clothing, vehicles, food, and others. Construction technology builds structures that support loads and protect us from the environment, for example, house, bridge, roads, and others. Impacts of product technology. Positive impacts, manufacturing. New products help to make our life easier and increase leisure time. And construction provides shelter, improves roads, creates employment opportunities. Negative impacts, many industries use materials that can harm the environment. And the construction, noise and debris, traffic problems, accidents and injuries. Materials technology. The development of materials with outstanding combinations of mechanical and chemical and electrical properties that make other advances possible. For example, mosquito repellent clothing, artificial skin grafts for burn victims, advanced building materials such as composite decking. There are two sides also, impacts of material technology. A positive impact is new materials able to reuse recycled materials to help the environment. And negative impacts, new materials don't know how the materials will behave over long periods of time. Transportation technology provides a way for people, animals, products, and materials to be moved from one place to the next. For example, if we speak about flight, it can be airplane, rocket, space shuttle. If we speak about land, it can be train, subway, automobile, bicycle. If we speak about water, commercial, cruise ships. A non-vehicle can be conveyor belts, pipelines, and others. Impacts of transportation technology. Positive impact can be traveling long distances faster. A negative impact, it can be accidents, but not only accidents, but also it can harmful for our air, our atmosphere. Next one is energy and power technology. Energy is the ability or capacity to do work. For example, chemical energy, gasoline, mechanical energy, motion, thermal energy, steam, electrical energy, electricity, radiant energy, light. And the power is the rate at which energy is transformed from one form to another. For example, electrical power provides light and operates motors. Mechanical power moves automobiles, trains, and airplanes. Fluid power uses fluids to produce motion. Hydraulics uses a liquid. Pneumatic uses a gas. And the positive impacts: without energy and power, most technologies would not exist or work. And negative impacts: overuse of non-renewable resources. And nanotechnology. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is manipulating materials on an atomic or molecular level. For example, sensors, nanobot, molecular manufacturing. And the next one is impacts of nanotechnology. Positive impacts: implanted sensors, continuous sense and adjust medical treatment. Implanted sensors impede privacy, can be negative impacts. So here it is the end of our presentation. Let's we will watch a video about technology. This one, you can see.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm Jack. Welcome to Everyday English. Today we're talking about technology. Of course, technology is a pretty broad subject, isn't it? When we talk about technology, we mean any tools or machines that make life easier. You might need a mobile phone or a washing machine or a toaster or cloud computing. The word technology is a noun and it's uncountable, which means that you don't use a definite article. So, for example, you say technology makes life easier, not the technology makes life easier. You only use the if you're talking about a specific type of technology. For example, the technology used in mobile phones. Let's have a look at some words that are often used to describe technology in a positive way. To start with, there's advancement or advancements. To advance means to move forward. So, technological advancements are improvements in technology. For example, advancements in satellite technology have led to the development of self-driving cars. A sudden and dramatic advancement in technology is sometimes described as a breakthrough. For example, there's been a breakthrough in artificial intelligence. State of the art is a term used to describe technology that's the best of its kind. As in, my phone has state of the art camera technology. Cutting edge is similar, but it means the latest or most up to date technology. High tech is a more general term, and it means something is technologically advanced. And innovative means it's advanced and original. I don't think it's a new phone. Yeah, brand new, state of the art. Have they got this high tech camera? Yeah, the software they use is really advanced. You can take portraits that look just like they're from a much bigger camera. The technology they use in phones these days is amazing. I really need to get a new phone that's more up to date. But of course, the impact of technology isn't always positive. You often hear people talk about the negative impacts of technological advancements. Take something as simple as a car. That's a type of technology that's made life easier. Yeah, that's positive. But on the negative side, cars cause air pollution. Yeah, and if you drive too much instead of walking, then you might not get as much exercise. So that's negative too. Here's another one: mobile phones. So mobile phones help us to communicate with each other and access information. But studies have shown that too much screen time can be harmful, especially to children. Now, screen time is the amount of time you spend looking at a phone, a computer, or a tablet. Social media is another type of technology that has a lot of positives and negatives. It helps you keep in touch with your friends and promote causes, but it can also help to spread fake news and encourage bullying. You might need to write an essay talking about the positive and negative aspects of technology. So it's worth thinking about how you might structure it. There are three main parts to an essay: the introduction, which introduces the topic and outlines how you're going to answer the essay question. Then there's the body. This is where you outlining how machines and tools have made life easier, giving examples. The final paragraph in the essay is the conclusion. It shouldn't introduce any new topics. Instead, it should be a summary of everything that you've mentioned so far. Take a moment to observe all the gadgets around you and how technology has changed your life. What do you think the future of technology will look like? Perhaps we'll be interacting with robots. Well, that'd be fun. Now, remember to analyze the question and brainstorm the main points that you want to cover in your essay before you start writing. Good luck and thanks for watching. Bye.
So it is the end of the video. I think this video can be very useful for you in order to writing essays about good and bad sides of the technology. Thank you for your attention. Our lesson is over. Goodbye.